SQL interview question and answer. Question number 6. How do you check number of columns, column name, data type, and number of rows of a table in SQL? This question is asking about four main different characteristics of a table. First one is how many number of columns are there, what are their name, what type of the data they are, and how many number of rows are present in the same table. Number of columns, name, data type, and number of rows can be checked by using following code. First, counting number of column. To count the number of column, we use count function. We start with select count star as number of column from user underscore tab underscore column, where table name we have to provide here inside code. I am using here employees underscore copy table. That's why I have provided employees underscore copy table in table name. When we run this first set of code, then it will generate a result which indicates the number of column. In this example, it has given number of column 11. Second one is column name and type. To identify the column name and type in case of SQL, we use select column underscore name, comma, data underscore type from user underscore tab underscore columns, where table name, again same here, we provide table name inside code, employees underscore copy, that gives column name as well as data type. In this example, we have already counted number of columns. It has 11 columns, and in the second code it displays a name after those 11 columns and data type. Third one is counting total number of rows. To count the number of rows, we use count function. We use the code as select count star as number of row from employees underscore copy. This gives the total number of records present in the given table. In this example, total number of records are 214. Fourth one is counting distinct number of rows. In case of table, it may have number of records duplicated. That's why to count the number of distinct records, we use following code. In this code, we have used count function as well as subquery. Subquery is used with distinct or. That gives that records only distinct rows. In this example, we use select count star as distinct row count, a row number. From, we have used subquery, where subquery is used as select distinct star from employees underscore copy. In case of subquery, first of all it runs and it gives the value or records of distinct records from employee table, employees underscore copy table. This information is used as a table for outer query because this information subquery is used with from statement. That's why output of subquery is used as a source for outer query. And outer query counts that distinct rows which we have already evaluated from subquery. We count those numbers from outer query. And it gives the total number of distinct rows. In this example, distinct number of rows are 107. That means every records are duplicated in this example. That's why we are getting total number 214 and distinct number we are getting only 107. In this way, we can calculate number of columns, column name, data type, and number of rows of a table in SQL. If we run these four set of code with Oracle Developer, then we will get exactly same result. Let me go through the Oracle developer window and run these 4 set of code and observe the result. This is Oracle developer window. We have 4 set of code. First one code is checking number of column. Second one checking column name and data type. Third one checking number of rows. And fourth one checking number of distinct rows. Let me run step by step process. First one, checking number of column. We have used here select count star as number of column from user underscore tab underscore columns, where table name, we have provided here table name employees underscore copy. That means we are going to check number of columns present in this table. Let me run this code first and observe the result. It has 11 columns. Total number of columns are 11. Then second step, checking column name and data type. We have already known number of columns are 11. Now we are going to check what are the name of those columns and what type the data present in this column. To check column name and data type, we use select column underscore name, comma, data underscore type from user underscore tab underscore columns, where table name, again we have provided same table, employees underscore copy. Let me run this code and observe the result. It has 11 columns. It has shown corresponding data type. Example is here employee ID is number, first name, last name, email and phone number. These are varchar 2. Hire date, data is date type. Job ID varchar 2 and other salary, commission percentage, manager ID and department ID all are number. Let me go through the third code, that is checking number of rows. To check the number of row, again we use count function. Select count star as number of row from employees underscore copy table. It gives the total number of records present in the given table. That means employees underscore copy table. Let me run this code. Then we obtain here 214 records. That means employees underscore copy table has total 214 records. Then in a table, it may have or it may contain number of records duplicated. That's why if we have to check distinct records, to check the distinct record we use following code. We use here select count star as distinct row count or row number from select distinct star from employees underscore copy is the table. That means in this code we have used subquery. Subquery starts from here. Select distinct star from employee underscore copy. That means first of all subquery runs and it gives the result for the all records which are distinct in the employees underscore copy table. And this result is used as a source for outer query because subquery is used with from statement. That's why result of this subquery is a source for the outer query, and from outer query we check the count or we count the number of those distinct rows which we have already obtained from subquery. In this way it calculates the number of distinct rows. Let me run this code and observe the result. Total it has 107. That means total number of rows in this given table, employees underscore copy table, it has 214. for total number of distinct rows are 107. That means every records are duplicated. In this way, we can calculate number of column name, column data type, number of rows, and number of distinct rows present in the given table. That's all about question number 6. Thank you.